welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called systems view or systems theory. Systems theory is a interdisciplinary study of system, that is cohesive groups of interrelated, interdependent components that can be natural or human made. Every system has a causal boundaries, is influenced by its context, defined by its structure, function and role, and expressed through its relation with the other system. A system is more than the sum of its parts by expressing synergy or emergent behavior. Changing one component of a system may affect the other components or the whole system. It may be possible to predict these changes in pattern of behavior. For systems that learn and adopt, the growth and the degree of adoption depend upon how well the system is engaged with its environment and other contexts influencing its organization. Some systems support other systems, maintaining the other system to prevent failure. The goals of the system theory are to model a system's dynamics, constraints, condition and relation, and to elucidate principles such as purpose, measure, methods, tools that can be discerned and applied to other systems at every level of nesting and in a wide range of fields for achieving optimized quality. General system theory is about developing broadly applicable concepts and principles as opposed to concepts and principles specific to one domain of knowledge. It distinguishes dynamic or active system from static or passive system. Active system or activity structures or components that interact in behaviors and processes or interrelate through formal contextual boundary conditions. Passive systems are the structure and the component that are being processed. For example, a program is passive when it is a disk file and active when it runs in memory. The field is related to systems thinking, machine logic and system engineering. Thanks for watching. Bye.